Let's take a look at creating these spiral cuts on a chess piece. The challenge here is that the main body has a non-uniform cross-section. At first, I tried using the coil command, but I quickly realized that it cannot adjust to the changing cross-section. In this video, I'm going to try to create a swept surface followed by a thickened cut. We will start with this solid body. This was created by extruding a circle with a taper in two directions. If I look at the final model, we know that we need to hollow out the body before making the cuts. So we need to start with a shell. In order to shell a body without actually creating any openings, we need to select the body as a whole. Select the body from the Bodies folder and adjust the thickness. Create a sketch on the front plane. Draw a vertical line, followed by a horizontal line. The vertical line defines the vertical extent of the spiral cut. We need to snap this to the origin. Add a coincident constraint between the vertical line and the origin. The horizontal line will serve as a profile for the swept surface later. We want this line to exceed the maximum cross-section of the body so that it can cut through completely. Activate the Surface tab. Go to Create, Sweep. Remove the Chain Selection option so that we can select entities individually. Select the horizontal line as a profile. For Path, click on the Select box and select the vertical line. To create the twist, enter a twist angle of 360. This will rotate the profile one complete round as it moves along the vertical line. Go to Create, Thicken. Select the surface body. Set direction to symmetric, so that it thickens symmetrically on either side of the surface body. Adjust the thickness. From here, we can create a circular pattern for the cuts.